Hey guys, so I just want to show you how I used PromptLab Google Sheet add-on to actually identify relevant keywords for running Google Ads. So we are launching a new feature in emails app called Unified Inbox, and we want to start a campaign on Google. So what I did was, the typical thing where I first uh, put in some keyword ideas in the keyword planner tool, and I got a list of roughly 274 keywords. Now we all know not all of those keywords are going to be relevant for us. So how do we identify which of these keywords are relevant? I'm going to show you how to use PromptLab to get that list. So basically what I've done here is I've written a prompt. So what we're going to do is use our formula test prompt. We're going to send this prompt and this keyword to our LLM, and for this purpose let's use GPT-4o mini. Let's freeze the ranges, so we can track the formula, and then let's just copy paste this formula. And in the formula, let me show you also the prompt. So the prompt basically says, I've assigned the LLM a role, and then I've given it a context of what the product does, and then also given a very strict instruction that your output will be only one word, yes or no, and then this written keyword at the end, so we can append the keyword using the formula. And as you can see, the LLM responses are coming in. It's telling us which of these keywords are relevant that we should run ads on. So yeah, I think let's see what keywords it has selected for us to run ads on. Now I can just filter. Looks like the formula wasn't dragged throughout the way. Let's do that and wait for the responses to come in, but that's the idea. Right, so you can see Unified Inbox, it said yes to that. Outlook Unified Inbox, it said no to that, and that is relevant because we are not targeting users who are looking specifically for Outlook feature. Thunderbird combined inbox, no to that. That also makes sense because these users are looking for specifically for Thunderbird inbox. So yeah, that's how you can use PromptLab to quickly do bulk processing. Now here's the best part. I had also asked Claude to write a prompt. So this prompt I wrote myself, and this I asked Claude to write. Now let's see if the output of Claude is going to be any difficult. I think let's just do one thing to make it consistent. Let's not put it in all caps. Let me just copy paste the formula and drag. So now we can quickly test which of these prompts is better for our future use cases, and if also I can just change the model here and see if the changing the model has any impact on the output. But for marketers this is super easy. In one go you can then just do filtration, see all the keywords it has said yes to, and this is your target keyword list. So it has filtered like 39 out of 274 keywords. So these are the keywords that you want to run your Google ads on.